Hello everyone, welcome back to WooCommerce tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly set up shipping inside WooCommerce, including flat rate, free shipping, and 3 simple formulas you can use to calculate shipping automatically. For example, let's say my store is based in Iowa, and I'm shipping a bunch of products to a few different states across the USA, New York, California, and Texas. As you can imagine, these places are far apart, and normally the shipping cost to each state would be different. So now I want to keep things simple. I want all of them to have the same flat rate, $10. And I also want to offer free shipping if the customer meets a certain requirement, as they spend or order enough the amount. Right now, I'm on the WooCommerce dashboard. To navigate to the shipping section, I will click to the WooCommerce menu here in the middle, and then choose Settings. I'll go ahead and click on the 4th tab, Shipping. Next, I'll choose Add Shipping Zone to start setting things up. Scroll down a bit. For the zone name, I'll name it USA. For zone regions, let's search for North America, and then select United States from the list. I'm only going to keep the domestic shipping region as the United States, and I'll remove North America. Now, I'll click Add Shipping Method. For the first method, I'll select Flat Rate and set the cost to $10. Click Create and Save. Then I will add another shipping method and choose Free Shipping and click Continue. Here, under Free Shipping Requires, you'll see 5 different options available. I'm going to select the third option, a minimum order amount, and set the amount to $50. Below that, you can choose to check this box, which means free shipping will only apply before any coupons or discounts are applied. After setting the amount, I'll click Create and Save. Now I'll go back to the previous tab to confirm that the USA shipping zone and the 2 shipping methods have been added successfully. And yes, they are displayed correctly. Next, I will switch to my Cart tab to check whether the shipping calculations are applied properly. As you can see on the screen, the flat rate is currently showing as $25. I'll try reloading the page to see if it updates correctly. Great! The flat shipping has now updated correctly to $10, just like I said it. I will try increasing the quantity to 3 to push the order total above $50. Yes, free shipping is now applied. Everything is all set up now. Pretty simple, right? Now I'm going back to the flat rate settings. Here, I'm going to start testing the 3 pricing formulas that I mentioned earlier on the screen: quantity, cost, and fee percent with max, min fee. First, let's begin with the quantity formula. I will set a simple calculation like this: a base cost of $5, then plus the quantity of items multiplied by 2. Click Save. Let's test it out. From here, I'll change the quantity from 3 down to 1. As you can see, the shipping cost is now calculated as the base $5 plus 1 item multiplied by 2, which gives us a total shipping cost of $7. Now I'll increase the quantity to 2, and here you can see the shipping cost updates to $9. That means the formula is working exactly as expected. Okay, I'm moving on to the second formula, which is the cost formula. I'm using the same structure as the quantity formula earlier. Instead of using quantity, I'm switching it to cost. And the multiplier that used to be $2, I'm now setting it to 50 cents. Let's give it a try. I'll try reducing the quantity back down to just 1 item. Now the shipping is calculated based on the cost of the order, so the price becomes much higher. You can lower the multiplier to something smaller than 0.5 if you want to bring the shipping cost down. Now we're moving on to the final formula. Here, I will write out all 3 values. The fee percent will be 10%. The minimum fee will be $10. And the maximum fee will be $15. Click Save again. Okay, let's test this one. I'll set the quantity back to 1, and now the shipping only takes 10% of the product price. The item is $16.8, so 10% of that is $1.68. If I increase the quantity to 2, the shipping becomes $3.36. If you want the order to follow only this formula without applying free shipping, you can go back and disable the free shipping method in the enabled section. Then click Save Changes. And yes, free shipping is now turned off, and the shipping price will follow only the formula you set in flat rate. Alright, that wraps everything up for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this walkthrough helped you out. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!